What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we have a great and exciting new one from TELESIN. Now, this is actually quite a few things in one, but the base of it is the Master Grip, which turns your iPhone 17 Pro Max, just released, into a full feeling handheld camera, complete with the functionality of all of the knobs and buttons. So very, very cool, but there's quite a bit more to this that I can actually do besides it, which I was surprised at because I wasn't actually expecting all of that. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is the case itself, a completely built case for this. It has MagSafe throughput, which is to be expected because this device is actually MagSafe in more ways than one, as well as camera throughput as well. So let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 17 Pro Max here and place it in, and just like that, it is the perfect fit. And it looks really stylish too. That looks really, really nice. So it gives it that kind of leathery texture feel that you'd find in a high-end camera. And it gives us a solid base for all the other parts that it comes with. So speaking of, let's go ahead and take a look at what else it comes with. So they give us a screen protector, which is surprising. This is an anti-reflected tempered glass for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. They give us a alignment kit so that we can easily align it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and put that on. So let's go ahead and do that. And this simply drops in on top. That way you can simply drop on the screen protector and peel it off. They also give you all the tools you would expect, including some wipes to get rid of any dust or hairs that might be on the device itself. So let's keep looking in the box. We've got another small box. I know it's just building the tension of what's actually in here. We have a very nice wrist strap to keep the camera safe from falling, so we can just let it go and keep it hanging on our hand. And we have a USB-C to C cable. If we pull out the main event here, this is what we're talking about. Here we go. This is the TELESIN Master Kit, and all you need to do is snap that on just like that. How cool is that? So it turns your iPhone 17 into something you could hold with one hand and control when you're recording, when you're taking pictures, all that good stuff. It's Bluetooth compatible and gives you a ton of settings, including zoom. You can control zoom on the phone with this actual knob here, and so much more. So now that you have a iPhone 17 Pro Max with its cinematic camera and a actual grip for it, let's keep looking in the box because they are not done. There's two more surprises in here. The first is a chromatic lens, or a UV lens, to get rid of any UV, and it is magnetized. So it's just gonna go right up top here, and it's gonna slide down and give you a really nice UV lens that's gonna give you really clean pictures. And then, because we're still not done, we have a selfie light and a mirror. Now, why would you want a mirror on your phone, you might ask, right? Well, I will tell you why. So if we are recording a selfie video, the mirror is actually going to help us align the video so we know that we're looking at ourselves. That is really useful. And then if we look up top here, we actually have a light as well. So you can either use this when you're recording someone else or turn it on yourself and get some really nice lighting for your selfie videos. And every time you press it, it changes the color of the lighting from being more white to more orange, which is great for different types of settings, obviously. And it is completely battery operated, so this can connect separately. You could have it somewhere else, or you can MagSafe it to your phone and use it that way as well, which basically turns this into a pro quality handheld camera. Extremely comfortable. You could even flip the light this way so that rather than being above, you can still have it in front of you, as well as use the built-in light as well. So lots of functionality in this. Every part feels quality. There are some plastic parts, and even those flow really well into the motif with the metal parts. And honestly, I can't praise this enough. Very, very cool stuff. Thank you so much to TELESIN for sending this out. It basically turned my phone into a beast of a camera system, and I am so happy to have it. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'll put a link to this in the description below. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. As always, hope you have a good one, and peace.